Hey Siri, what's 1 trillion to the 10th power?
1 trillion raised to the 10th power is
Okay, I'm done.